Hi, my name is Deeya Soni and I have completed the Advanced Digital Marketing course from DMTI Softpro. So in this lockdown I was looking for some online courses, and that is how I came across this course, as I had a lot of interest in learning about social media management and I was trying my hand in affiliate marketing. I thought it was a great way of increasing my knowledge. And after joining the course, I must say that my mentor, Deepen sir, he was so very helpful in every module. It was so detailed and we had practical knowledge because we were practicing while he was teaching. And he even provides PDFs after the class, and I think that's great. He has up-to-date knowledge about whatever is going on. And as we all know, social media is never ending, but still after this I can call myself a digital marketer because I've learned so much and it's been a very good experience. I would definitely recommend it to y'all. Thank you so much, sir and DMTI. It was a great course and it was so much fun learning with y'all.